Guys, when was the last time you watched a DVD? I mean, do you even remember where your DVD player is? Or maybe you tried to play an old favourite only to realise that your new laptop doesn't even have a disk drive. Well, don't worry, it's not just you. New devices are leaving DVDs behind. But what about all those movies, home videos and memories you have on discs? Well, what if I told you there was an easy way to deal with all of that? Interested? Well, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up, YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today we are talking about WinX DVD Ripper from Digiarty. Now, if you don't know Digiarty, well, they make a ton of different software tools for your kind of multimedia productivity. Now, aside from that, here's something that you might not know. DVDs don't last forever. They can get scratched, cracked, or even start to rot over time. And if you don't do something soon, you could lose your entire collection. So how can you save your DVDs before it's too late? Well, okay, the commercial movies, well, of course, you can probably stream them from somewhere if you're lucky. But what about home movies and memories? I mean, that's a bit more difficult. So having a simple way to keep your memories safe and watchable no matter what device you use has to be of some kind of interest. Now guys, before we get into it, Digiarty reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this software in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's talk about the problem. DVDs were everywhere just a few years ago, right? We bought movies, we recorded family events and made backups of like tapes and things like that and other important stuff, right? But now most new laptops, tablets and even TVs don't have DVD drives. Streaming is the new normal and physical discs are getting left behind. But what happens to all of those DVDs you've collected over the years? I mean, maybe it's your wedding video, your kid's first birthday, or you thought that backing up your old videotapes or even rare movies that you can't find online were the way to go with DVDs. I mean, if you can't play them, right, those memories are stuck on a shelf gathering dust. And it gets worse. DVDs aren't as tough as we thought. They can get scratched by just sliding them in and out of the case. I mean, ever notice those tiny little cracks near the center of the disc? Well, that is called disc rot. And it can make your DVD unplayable. Even if you just take good care of your discs, they can still go bad over time. So what can you do? Well, you need a way to move your DVDs onto your computer or another kind of hard drive device. And that way you can watch them anytime, anywhere, and keep them safe for years to come. Enter WinX DVD Ripper from Digiarty. Now, this software is easy to use and it works with most DVDs, even old or scratched ones. As long as your drive can read them, you're good to go. So how do we use this software? Well, first off, let's download the software. Now, I'm using a Windows machine for this. Go to WinDVDX Ripper, go to the website, download the software and install it. Now, once installed, you will see a very intuitive interface. Across the top, you have controls to load a DVD disc, open an ISO image of a disc that you might have ripped before. You can then select the target folder for your movies to be ripped to, as well as selecting other options. You also have controls for hardware acceleration, and you can choose your CPU and GPU, as well as using the high quality engine, de-interlacing and safe mode. You then have the preview window here, which you can play, pause and take a screenshot. And then you've got the run button at the bottom. So let's load up a disc. And here you can see, guys, well, look at that. I mean, honestly, this was not staged. It's a damaged disc. This damaged disc, actually, it's the training day. It's a backup that I've made already of the original. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with it. It looks perfect. But you know what? It doesn't play. And that's my exact point. Now, as I said, luckily this was a backup of a disc I made a long time ago, but it sort of proves my point. Now, let's try another one. Here we have an original disc of the movie Notting Hill. So as we load it, you can see the movie titles that are available. The main feature is automatically selected. You also have this window that shows you all of the available formats that you can rip to, including Apple devices, Android devices, and so on. In fact, you can also make a one-to-one DVD backup, should you wish to. I mean, there's a lot of choices here, but for me, and probably for most of us, I'm just going to select the H.264 MP4 format because this is highly compatible with most playback devices. Then guys, hit the run button and wait. Now, depending on the speed of your machine and drive and the length of the movie, this can take a little time. Now guys, there we are. We have our DVD all backed up on our hard drive. And if we open the movie and play it, you can see that quality-wise, it's as good as the original. I mean, it's easy, right? Now, you might be wondering, is it legal to rip DVDs? Well, in most places, it's okay to make a copy for your own use, especially for home movies or movies you've bought. But just don't go sharing the files, guys, and always check the rules in your country to be sure. So guys, there you have it. If you want to keep your memories safe and enjoy your favourite movies anytime, now's the time to act. Don't let your DVDs gather dust or get lost to scratches and disc rot. Take a little time to start ripping your collection. You'll be glad that you did. And guys, at the time of this video going live, there are 3 ways that you can purchase this software. You have a premium annual license subscription at $39.95. You also have a lifetime license at $65.95. Or as Digiarty have lots of software packages, you can get a 4-in-1 bundle lifetime license for just $89.95, which includes WinX DVD Ripper, WinX Video AI, WinX DVD Copy Pro, and WinX Media Trans. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Digiarty for sending me this very impressive software to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.